Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get your PayPal statement. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically here for this video, we are just going to follow these articles. And from here, we can see exactly on how we can get our statements. So all we need to do is just go to activity and then go to all reports and we will get our payments. And payments are the statements and then you can customize the date. So basically from here, we can get to activity and basically here you will find statements and you can also start uh, downloading the detailed statements. So if you have any statements, you can simply click on the download and you can get your statement. Of course, you can even customize your statements from here. In my case, I still have zero statements here, and basically here how it will start looking. So by going to activity, you can see all your transactions, and from here you can download statements or just get all reports. And basically by clicking on all reports, you will be able to see your payments there. So as you can see here, we can either have our performance, favorites, etc. Now I'm just going to click on the statements and of course you can start having the statements. So now all you need to do is just click report for a date range or you can have some individual statements for your bank statements or your transaction statements. So from here, you can see the delivery type. You can just click on request. And for example, you will get this one. So you have also two options. Either you can get a PDF statement or a CSV file statement. And basically, that's it. And this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.